Hello everyone. Today we're going to be heading down to Blooming Crazy Gardens and we're going to be picking out my fall mums and my fall pumpkins. Hope you enjoy this video. All the fall mums that are around, and oh my gosh, they're gorgeous this year. I love all these beautiful colors. Nothing screams fall to me more than these mums. And I'm going to be buying a bunch of them today, guys. Look at the variety we have to choose from, and it's so hard to choose, and I'm loving the yellows and I'm loving this beautiful purple color here on this little guy here. We have them here in all different sizes and rows and rows and rows, and my goodness, they're beautiful. I look forward to this every year, being able to come out here, and today we have an exceptionally beautiful day. It's gorgeous and sunny. It is, I think, almost 80 degrees. It's quite warm in my area. The pumpkins are all ready to be brought home, and I literally could not wait to come out here and do this today and share this with you guys. Looking for a few large mums this year for the gardens and a couple smalls. Try to vary my heights for the mums for the front flower bed. And I'm looking to get a few yellow ones for sure, which these ones here are beauties. So I'm just going to walk around and see which ones that I like the best. And I heard the best way to buy fall mums is to buy them with just the buds. Mostly budded, so that they last longer for blooming time. And that was kind of hard to find this year because I found, because it was so hot, they all were in full bloom already. But other than that, I mean, they are just perfect. They're beautiful. Have to let me know in the comments, which colors did you pick for your mums this year? I tend to always go for a mixture. I don't usually keep with the same color. I try to mix them up, and I end up purchasing some yellow and a few orange. And I couldn't resist that beautiful purple one that you just saw. We could not ask for better weather this year for fall, though. My goodness. Just gonna head over to the pumpkins, and I see yellow this year, which I don't normally ever see. And so I was very excited about that. And definitely want to grab a few different colors and shapes for pumpkins this year. Last year I ended up purchasing some gray, and I ended up getting some ones with those little bumps and warts on them. I guess that's what they are. That's what it remind me of anyway. So I think I'm going to grab another one like that this year. There they are. Oh my gosh, I love these. They look creepy looking, but they're also so cool. I'm definitely looking to pick up one of these yellow ones because they're so different. I've never seen them before, at least in my area. And I'm definitely interested in getting some white, and I'm always interested in getting orange, of course. The old standby, but can't go wrong with the orange ones. These ones are so unique. The shapes of these are so awesome. And I just can't believe the different varieties they have out now compared to years ago. And all the varied colors you can buy in pumpkins is just amazing to me. there's rows and rows of them. Like, it's so hard to choose. I walk through these aisles up and down, and it's just like I have my basket, my cart with me, and it's just so hard to choose which ones you actually want to keep and bring home. I'm going to head over to the small bins, and I want to buy a couple of small pumpkins too for my front porch, and maybe put a few on my steps. So I'm going to look into picking up a few of these guys in varied colors. I like to mix up the small ones with some large ones. I find in the real warm temperatures that you have to water the mums quite thoroughly. So I go out there, and usually every other day I usually go out and give my mom some water. And I'm told not to water from the top, but water from the bottom, if that helps anybody. Guys, we're coming to the end of this video, and you're going to be able to see the end result of everything. Stay tuned, and thank you for joining me. Toodaloo. See you next time.